During the holidays, I see a lot of fruitcake going down the disposal. A garbage disposal works best when small particles are mixed with water. Always run the water when using a garbage disposal. If you're frying bacon or have a pan filled with grease, pour that into another container, then throw it out. A good rule of thumb, scrape as much as you can into a trash can first, then go to the sink. To keep a disposal clean, run water and add ice. This will clean the blade as well as interior surfaces. You can also add small pieces of orange rind or lemon to deodorize unwanted smells. I don't care what you read on the internet, do not ever put potato peels in the disposal. If your disposal becomes clogged, turn it off and shut off the water. Don't reach into a disposal and never ever use harsh chemicals to treat a clog. Instead, try a plunger. Regularly clean and check the space below your disposal. There should never be water or other evidence of moisture. If there is water, stop using your disposal and call your local Benjamin Franklin plumber. Anytime your disposal trips or shuts off, there's a problem. Be sure to call us to check for a problem before serious damage occurs. Enjoy the holidays this season by keeping your kitchen sink and your garbage disposal in tip-top shape. And well, as far as the fruitcake, that'll be our little secret.